Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Fyers to TradingView in 2026. In order to do this, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Now, once you are here, you need to launch any of the charts in front of you. You can either launch the chart which you want to analyze, or you can also launch any of the charts that you see here in your watch list. So the chart actually doesn't matter. What that matters here is you need to come on the chart analysis page. So here on this page, click on the option of the trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Over here in this particular row, you will find the third option of Fyers. So this is exactly what we are looking for. So you need to click on the option of Fyers once. Then it will ask you to connect your Fyers account with TradingView. So click on the option of connect. Now it is going to redirect you here on this particular login page. So here you need to provide your Fyers login credential. That includes providing your phone number or your client's ID. Then you need to follow certain instructions in order to basically log in here with the help of your Fyers account credentials. Now if Fyers asks you to authorize TradingView, just have to do it, and this way you will be able to connect Fyers to TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.